Lingayats are not practicing the ideals of Lingayat philosophy. I feel very sorry to say this, and I endorse her views. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿಬಹುದು, ಬೇಸರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ they should come forward. Linga should come forward. They should come forward to understand the scientific temperament of this movement of 12th century. ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕೇವಲ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಗರ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಐ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಸ್. All religions are great according to their time and their geographical structure. They are having universal values also. But why I say Lingayat religion is unique under the sun? ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಧರ್ಮ ಇರೋದು. ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಗಮ್ಯ ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರಮೆಂಟ್. Baswa's God is not outside your body, is not outside any person or any creature even. Is within. That is very, very important. He is not in the idol, he is not in the temple, he is not in the mud. He is within us in the form of conscience. ಅಗಮ್ಯ, ಅಗೋಚರ, ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಮತ್ತು apramana, you can't measure. This is the definition of God. And he is in the form of compassion, sympathy and empathy. The compassion is a very important word in Baswa's philosophy. Daya. Daya is not just a dictionary word here. He is having philosophical background. ಸಕಲ ಜೀವಾತ್ಮರಿಗೆ ಲೇಸನೆ ಬಯಸುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗನ ಶರಣರೇ ಕುಲಜರು. He should have that empathy towards entire human beings, creatures, birds, animals. No limit, infinite love. Here in this philosophy, Daya means infinite love. Ishq. It is the meaning of Daya in this religion is Ishq. Loving everything, loving all creatures. Arive Guru. Your consciousness is your Guru. Your Antasakshi is your Guru. And God is the only Swami. Swami Nenu Shashwata Nenu is Amar, is infinite, is immortal, and that God Himself is Swami. And our consciousness, our conscience is God, is our Guru. No mud, no mandir, no temple, no mud, no idol, no hell and heaven. No punya and papa. There is no punya. There is no sin. No rebirth. No salvation. No moksha. No salvation. No karma siddhanta. Basava and Saranas denied all these things. Then they accepted monotheism, Ekadevopasana. And that God is within you, not outside. He is there in everybody's body. Body is the living temple of the Lord in this philosophy. No other temples. In this sense, this is the unique religion in the world. Because no heaven, no hell, no punya, no papa, no rebirth, no salvation. Salvation is when we are living, when we reach the heights of humanism, that itself is salvation. Udala Sangana Sharanaru Achalinga Ikyaru. They are always with the God who is within. Basa's very important vachana regarding this rationalism or scientific temperament. Punya Papavemba Ubaya Karmava Naru Ballaraya. Who knows what is Punya, what is Papa? Even our Umbar will consume this. Kaya Tanambade, Kaya Tamun. If the body will experience this Punya and Papa, it can't be because it will become Parthiva, Sharira. When we die, the dead body will become part of Panchamahabhutas, part of the soil. Jivatanambade, Jivata Bedu. Jiva will never go anywhere. It will never enter Sarga or Narka because according to this religion, no Sarga, no Narka, no hell, no heaven. ಈ ಉಭಯ ನಿರ್ಣಯವ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರಣ ಬಲ್ಲ. This is the first knowledge and quality of the Sharana, who never believe in all these concepts. Swarga, Narka, Punya, Papa, and rebirth, salvation, no. But what the Sharana believes, eternal love, infinite compassion, this is the greatest contribution to the humankind. It is the religion of only 2 letters, that is Daya. That Daya word is having very in-depth meaning. That's why we must try to understand. That's one of first. Equality, no caste system, no class system, no gender discrimination. Okay, these are all there. But primary is scientific temperament. Without scientific temperament, we can't achieve all these things. And the base of this religion is scientific temperament. That's why he goes on denying all these hurdles. That's why we must try to, the battery is running slow. Just 1 minute. That's why how he goes on denying and exposing all these hurdles, which are the riddles of life, which are actually controlling us, and it is very difficult for us to go ahead with truth. He talks about his concept of God. His relation with God is so amazing and unique. It is so great. 24 तिथिಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ये जो तिथि है तिथि करना इस all these 24 तिथीಸ್ 24 ತಿಥಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳ ಗ್ರಹಣ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಏಕಾದಶಿ ವ್ಯತಿಪಾತದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳ ವ್ಯತಿಪಾತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಚಂದ್ರ ಕೂಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಹಣ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಶಿವಪಥವನ್ನರಿದಂಗೆ is very important that to understand the path of Shiva. Shiva means in this religion, Shiva is Satyam Shivam Sundaram. The meaning of Shiva is Shive Rakshataye. Shiva means Mangalakara, Mangalamaya. Even the concept of God is so interesting. Mangalamaya. The world should become Mangalamaya. Our life should become Mangalamaya. Our family should become Mangalamaya. Our society should become Mangalamaya. That is the concept of Shiva in this religion. Oma, Nema, Japa, Tapadinda Vegala is superior to all these rituals. Kudala Sangama Deva in Mamana Deneneva. Who goes on remembering you. It means your ideals, your orders. Order comes from within because God is within. If we live the way our conscience guides us, that is the superior life, superior to everything in this world. And he tells about this our Karma Siddhanta. Karma Siddhanta is the worst concept in this world. Karma Siddhanta never allows you to think even. We are bonded by so many karmas. The main 3 karmas are there. Sanchita karma. Sanchita karma means we come across many types of life. That's called Janma Janmantara karma. Is called Sanchita karma. But in Basava philosophy, no Punarjanma. That's why I said no Sanchita karma. Then Prarabdha karma. The karma, what we did. Karma is a very negative term here. Karma is what we did in the previous life. That is called Prarabdha karma. And they won't allow us to live happily with these 2. Yes, we can tolerate. But third one is still dangerous. That is Agami karma. It means we have to suffer in future also, in Punarjanma also. That is Agami karma. That's why these 3 karmas kill the spirit of man, kill the spirit of humankind in our society. That's why Basavadev told, Kabbuna iron, Kabbuna Parusha Vediyadadeno. We call it Kavi Samaya in literature, that Purusha is a concept. If the Purusha money touches iron, it will become gold. Dasharat Basava uses all types because Basava was a great poet also. He was a great logician and great philosopher. ಕಬ್ಬುನ ಪೌರುಷವೇದಿಯಾದಡೇನು ಕಬ್ಬುನ ಹೊನ್ನಾಗದಡ ಪೌರುಷವ ಬೇಕು. If it won't become gold, then what is the use of ಪೌರುಷ? See how he is denying all these myths. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಹರಿಯದೊಡ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅದೇತಕ್ಕೂ. Why you put light? Because we'll get light. Why we sit on? Why put lamp? Because it should destroy the darkness. If it won't do, then what is the use of this light? He gives this type of examples. Then he says, ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವರ ಮನಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಪೂಜಿಸಿ ಕರ್ಮ ಹರಿಯದೊಡ ಪೂಜೆ ಅದೇತಕ್ಕೂ. You go for Ishling Puja and go on practicing theory of karma also. What is the use? Ishtalinga Puja, this puja should destroy the theory of karma. This is very, very important. Ishtalinga Puja is not just puja. Puja, the Ishtalinga Puja, the role of Ishtalinga Puja is destroying all unscientific behavior, unscientific practices, including karma siddhanta. That's why ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವರ ಮನಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಪೂಜಿಸಿ ಕರ್ಮ ಹರಿಯದೊಡ ಪೂಜೆ ಅದೇತು. Why you are going for this Ishling Puja and practicing all this? This is the fate of most of the lingais in Karnataka and also in Maharashtra. That's why we must try to understand how we should come out from all these riddles. Then he talks about the Pancha Mahabhutas. So this is the Srishti. This Srishti is created by Srishtikarta. That's why this Srishti, this nature is product of Pancha Mahabhutas. Prithvi, Teja, Vayu, Akash. All these Pancha Mahabhutas are not gods. They are the basic raw material respect as water. If you call water is Devi, you will go and make it dirty. Pollution follows. Because we want to throw everything in that water. That's why Jala is not God or goddess. Jala is Jala. H2O. There is the matter. This, see, in 12th century Basava told this. Marana Kandalle Sutturaya. See, when we see the tree, what we'll do? We go on worshipping tree. Tree is the product of Srishtikarta. It is not Srishti. It is just Srishti. It is not goddess or God. Battuva Jalava. See, we are seeing many rivers, dry rivers. It means this Jala can't be God. Vanaguva Marak. This tree will become dry. However, if you people go on thinking that fire is God, water is God, this Akasha is God, and Bhumi is God. No, Bhumi is Bhumi. Love Bhumi as Bhumi. You respect, love water. Use water is a precious product of nature. That's why only one God, Ek Devopasana. Scientifically, logically, he tells. And what about these temples? See, always Shastra and Shastra. Look at the history of our society. Shastra and Shastra, they always go hand in hand. Shastra always ordered Shastra. That's why 12th century, most of these Sharanas became martyrs. genocide took place. Sharanas were the very new type of human beings, Nava Manava Siddhanta. We saw there, but they were murdered, butchered. Their literature, the Vachanas, they burnt. Only hardly 10% Vachanas were having with us. That with a great struggle, they came all the way from Asokaland to Ulivi, and they distributed while coming to Ulivi, that Ulivi place. Thus, they safeguarded hardly 10% Vachanas. But the temple culture, in temple culture, R.N. Nandi is from the research fellow from Bihar. He wrote how the exploitation, used to go on in the temples, how the people used to give money, and how some people used to enjoy. There is no time to explain all those things here. Just have Delhi. This is a very beautiful. This is the first Vachana, or first literature in India to protest the system. On the road, so standing on the road with Dalits and protesting the temple culture. ಲಿಂಗಾರ್ಚನೆಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಮಹಿಮರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಲುಗೆವಂತರಾಗಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. All these big people, the members of the court, the businessmen, rich people, landlords, they are all in the sanctum of the temple. That's why he tells, Anudeva Paragano, oh God, I am an outsider. Outsider means Dalit, untouchable. Anudeva Paraganama. Samboli ಅನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I am far away from you people. I know I am observing what you are doing, but I am with the suffering masses here. I have nothing to do. I don't want anything. Just I am with your name, with your power. And this is the speciality of Basava. How because time is running out. It is 9 o'clock. I wanted to tell so many things, but I should not take your time. Only one Vachana will tell what Manisha told regarding this marriage. Even Basava told, our Channabaswana told about this. Lingavartana Vivahadalli. He talks about the marriage. Vibhuti Veeleyava Kottu. You only Vibhuti. Simple life. That's what Sharanas told about simple life. Vibhuti Veeleyava Kottu. Aroganeya Madisi. You put to the people. Shiva Ganangal Sakshiyai. All these good people, pious people. Few people, they should be there. ಪ್ರಸಾದವ ನಿಕ್ಕುವುದೇ ಸದಾಚಾರವಲ್ಲದೆ ವಾರ ತಿಥಿ ಸುಮುಹೂರ್ತವೆಂಬ ಲೌಕಿಕದ ಕರ್ಮವ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. Don't go for all these rituals. If you go there, you will be far away from the followers of our God who is within us. This is the very nice webinar. Many intellectuals are participating. I thank you all. Sharano Sharanarthi.